you the story who I am. So many stories of where I've been and how I got to where I am. But the stories don't mean anything when you got no one to tell them to. And it's true. Was meant for you. I come across the mountain tops and swam across the ocean blue. I crossed all the lines and I broke all the rules, and baby I broke them all for you. Oh, because even when you made me feel like a million bucks you do, that I was made for you. Tell you the story. Oh, this is the story, my story. Out of the words that don't come out. All of my friends who think that I'm blessed, they don't know my head is a mess. No, they don't know who I really am, and they don't know what I've been through like you do. And all of these lines across my face and tell you the story of who I am, and so many stories of where I've been and how I got to where I am. All by the stories don't mean anything when you got no one to tell them to.